Well, off to the river. Sorry for the shakiness. Really nice. This water is up high. Well, the beach is right there. All this is usually walkable. It appears there's still a little path, so we're gonna go for it. See if I can do this one-handed. This water's up really high because all right here you can walk right here. Get these thorns away from my tarp. Well, here's my view, which isn't too bad. So I brought with me my Black Hawk hydration 24-hour bag with the Maxpedition roly-poly, just a pouch, and just a emergency kit that I put together, first aid, just in case. I like to cut myself, so nice to have that. And some gloves. See, headgear for the GoPro. Medicinal use. And a fork. And that's for lunch. Water. Water. And here's my little cook kit. I think it's a condor pouch. But open this up and pull out my fuel. This is actually a Walmart cup. Stainless steel. That's what's important. And a little stove. I forgot who makes this. I think it's Olympia. Little guy. Just screw it right onto that. You're good to go. So I'm going to get that going and be right back. This little top is awesome. Every now and then the sparker goes out, but not bad for $3. And all you gotta do is that. Do all this one-handed and film. I forgot my tripod, obviously. We're just getting to a boil. While we're waiting for that, I wanted to slap a couple of ants off me and show you this new knife I got. It's a Kershaw. I don't know if you can see that. And I don't know the model. I'll get back to you. The link, I'll put the link in the description. I got it off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. I got it off of Amazon. Really nice knife. Get you a blade. And you got you a little screwdriver and flathead, large and small. Inches and millimeters. Magnetic and spring loaded. Pull these up. Magnetic as well. Take what you want and put her away when you're done. And I can't take credit for this. My gorgeous fiance got this for me, so thank you, babe. And we're boiling. So let's get some soup going. Alright, got the soup. Got the boiling water. Well, so long, camp. Sure is nice out here. And up we go. Appreciate you guys watching, and got something special coming up here soon, so stay tuned. And until then, I'll just be chipping away. Thanks again.